Hello students, today we will study countable sets. Countable sets. While studying countable set, we need the following definitions first. First definition is uh, equivalent sets. Equivalent sets. Second definition is countably infinite sets. These are the two definitions which are needed to study the countable set, right? So we will start one by one. So पहली बात करते हैं equivalent set की. Equivalent set. Equivalent sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equivalent if there exists a 1 1 1 and 1 2 map between them. That is, there exists a map F from A to B which is bijective. Bijective means 1 by 1 1 and 1 2. That is 1 1 and on to map. अगर ए और बीच बी के बीच में 1 1 एंड 1 2 मैप अगर एग्जिस्ट कर जाए कोई, तो हम लोग कहेंगे ये दोनों क्या हैं, इक्विवेलेंट हैं. एंड वी राइट एंड वी राइट राइट it as A is equivalent to B, read as A is equivalent to B. So let us see some examples. Set n say that n belongs to Z. Let it be 2n and and 2n minus 1 so that n belongs to Z are equivalent. These two sets are equivalent. Sets n belongs to n say that n belongs to Z and 2n so that n belongs to Z, or we can simply say that set of natural numbers. Let us take set of natural numbers first. Natural numbers and n say that 2n say that n belongs to n. These are the even natural numbers. These are the natural numbers. These sets are also equivalent. ये भी equivalent हैं. Other example is set of integers is equivalent to set of natural numbers. That is integers. Say Z is equivalent to n. Similarly, set of rational numbers, rationals, is also equivalent to set of natural numbers, naturals. That is, Q is equivalent to and either you write 2 lines or 1 line, one the same thing. Some books write single this और दो भी लिखते हैं, कोई बात नहीं, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. Then uh, any open interval, another example is any open interval is equivalent set of real numbers, that is कोई भी open interval है that is equivalent to R. Similar, any two open intervals intervals are equivalent, that is AB is equivalent to CD. Any two close intervals are equivalent, that is AB is equivalent to CD. -1 and 1, this is equivalent to R. So this is these are the examples of equivalent sets. Now we'll talk about countably infinite sets. Countably infinite set क्या होते हैं उनकी बात करते हैं. Countably infinite set, और इनको ये भी कहते हैं डिनम्बरेबल सेट भी कहते हैं, और इनको इन्यूमरेबल सेट भी कहते हैं. Sets, right? So let's have the definition of this. Let करते हैं an infinite set should be infinite. An infinite set A is said to be denumerable. You can say that countably infinite. That is right first. Countably infinite, or denumerable, or innumerable if A is equivalent to n, the set of natural numbers. That is, there is 1 and onto map between A and n. So okay, so let us see some examples. First example is set of natural numbers. Set is denumerable, you can say that, or you say that countably infinite. Second is even natural number set. Is denumerable. Odd natural number set is denumerable. Then set of integers is denumerable. Then set of rational numbers is G-enumerable. Set of prime numbers is G-enumerable. Then uh, set of even or odd integers is G-enumerable. N cross n is D-enumerable set. So this is all about D-enumerable or countable infinite sets. So let's talk about the countable sets. What are countable sets? The main topic here, countable sets. क्या होते हैं countable set? A set A is said to be countable. Is said to be countable if it is if A is either finite or countably infinite. या तो ये फाइनाइट होगा या काउंटेबली इनफाइनाइट, दोनों में से अगर कुछ भी होगा तो दैट इज कॉल्ड काउंटेबल. सो काउंटेबल का मतलब क्या हो गया? काउंटेबल कहाँ से आएगा आपका? या तो फाइनाइट सेट होगा उसको भी काउंटेबल कहेंगे, और अगर डी न्यूमरेबल सेट होगा, क्योंकि डी न्यूमरेबल काउंटेबली इनफाइनाइट एक चीज़ है, काउंटेबली इनफाइनाइट सेट होगा तब भी ये काउंटेबल सेट होगा. सो देयर इज ए और बिटवीन देम, इधर दिस दोनों होंगे. तो अगर ये फाइनाइट है तब भी काउंटेबल होगा, अगर ये डी न्यूमरेबल या काउंटेबली इनफाइनाइट है तब भी ये काउंटेबल होगा. सो वी कैन से दैट काउंटेबल सेट होगा तो we can make the following inferences. Countable set implies denumerable or finite set. These are the possibilities. Then denumerable set implies countable set. Then finite set is always countable. This is by definition countable set. Inferences. So we can take these inferences from the definition. कि अगर काउंटेबल सेट है तो डी न्यूमरेबल चाहे फाइनाइट हो सकता है, अगर डी न्यूमरेबल है तो वो काउंटेबल हो गई, फाइनाइट सेट है तो वो काउंटेबल होगा. सो एग्जांपल्स लेते हैं इसकी, स्टडी की एग्जांपल्स. पहली एग्जांपल हमारे पास आती है एन सेट ऑफ नेचुरल्स इज काउंटेबल. दूसरी एग्जांपल आ गई जेड सेट ऑफ इंटीजर्स is countable. थर्ड एग्जांपल आ रही है हमारे पास set of even or odd integers is countable. And fourth one is set of even or odd naturals is countable. Fifth, then set of rational numbers, set of rationals is countable. Set of prime numbers numbers is countable. Any finite set, you know that any finite set is countable. Then 8, then we can see that n cross n is always countable. Is countable. Set of all intervals with a rational endpoints is countable. Set of algebraic numbers, set of algebraic numbers is countable. So these are the 10 examples pertaining to countable sets. So this is the comprehensive definition of countable sets.